Welcome back to my YouTube channel! 12 midnight pa lang, nasa NAIA Terminal 3 na ako kasi akala ko pwede nang mag-check-in ng maaga. Nagbago na pala ngayon. I am flying via Emirates and this is gonna be an 8-hour flight and I have a 2 hours layover in Dubai. Bongga talaga kahit economy ng Emirates. Meron kang headset, pillow, and a blanket. All for free. This is gonna be a long flight. Oh my God, the things I do for love. Buti na lang, comfy pa rin kahit economy and masasarap ang food nila. Since hindi naman ako makatulog, ang inatupag ko ay mag-antay ng pagkain. Look at this, guys. Ang sarap nito. I can still remember how good this is. And if I remember it correctly, I think you can also request kapag gutom ka pa as long as meron pa silang stock. I really enjoyed the food. It's so delicious. Buti na lang talaga, Emirates ang nabook ni Frank kasi sabi ko sa kanya, first time ko maglo-long haul flight kaya sana kahit economy gusto ko yung maayos na airline. Our first choice was Singapore Airline pero nung magbo-book na kami, wala na yung gusto naming date. Kaya ang nabook namin ay Emirates. Medyo mahal lang ng onte pero sobrang comfy naman. I am so excited and nervous at the same time kasi it's my first time to travel alone. I am flying total of 16 hours with 2 hours layover in Dubai. After a quick 2-hour layover in Dubai, I am now boarded for Dubai to Amsterdam flight. Mas malaki na yung plane ngayon. It's an Airbus. And who's excited for the next round of food? Me! Ang hirap din kasi talagang matulog kapag sobrang excited ka. If I remember it correctly, this is beef with mashed potato. This is also yummy, but I prefer the rice meal earlier. It's the Asian in me. I know, rice is life. Nauubos ko yung mga main meal, pero yung mga side dish hindi masyado kasi hindi ako familiar and yung iba may tomato. And this dessert, oh my God, lekker! Give me another one.
This is dry now.
I'm here!
Welcome to the Netherlands.
It's cold! Oh, it's raining!
A little bit. Welcome to the Netherlands.
Oh my God! It's cold! Dude, I really don't have something to wear for this weather. You have to buy me... Yeah, oh my God!
We go to the outlet in Germany.
Oh my God, Cutie, I need something for my hands. A glove. It's my first day. Not like first day.
First real day.
Yesterday is my first day. Yesterday is
Yesterday was only traveling in a car.
yeah. And now it's a real first day, but I'm still sleepy. But we have to run some errands because they will make me shopping.
The house is more important.
Yeah, that's the first one. We're gonna go house hunting.
Mark lives here. Yeah.
Yep, you heard it right. House hunting. Matagal nang gustong lumipat ng bahay ni Frank and may nakita siya ngayon kaya pupuntahan namin. Grabe, pati ibon dito. Ang aesthetic. Nakakaloka. Oh my God, it's raining.
Sorry?
It's raining. I left the Philippines. There's a typhoon and it's raining here. And we're at the house. Oh my God, this is huge. This is like a dream house for me because it has a huge living room. And if you know me personally, I like big living rooms so I can dance in front of the TV. After checking the house, it's finally time to meet Frank's parents. Grabe yung kaba ko dito kasi paano kung hindi nila ako magustuhan for Frank? Ipagtatabuyan ba nila ako? Bibigyan ba nila ako ng 10 milyon para lang layuan ko yung anak nila? Char! They are nice people. I love them already. We're going to Germany! He looks so fancy and I look so cold because I am. Oh, this one is looking so yummy. Let's go to Germany. And now we're going to Germany to buy some groceries and some stuff for myself kasi hindi ako nagdala ng mga big bottle ng shampoo and conditioner. I'm gonna be here for a month so need talaga namin mamili ng mga gamit ko. This is just few minutes away from Frank's house. Imagine, nasa Netherlands lang ako kanina. Ngayon, nasa Germany na ako.
Schmidt. It's for laundry detergent.
No. That one is nicer.
I don't take this one. But they are hella cheap.
Let's go to the shampoo section. Nakakaloka pala mamili dito. Hindi ko maintindihan yung mga nakasulat. After some stuff for the house and for myself, it's time for groceries. Alam nyo ba, hapon na nito and hindi pa kami nag-lunch. Kaya ayan, bumibili si Frank ng croissant. Ang sasarap ng sausage nila dito, guys. Gusto ko sanang mag-uwi pero hindi ako sure kung pwede ba. Saka iniisip ko din baka masira. A little snack. The cheese is so good. I like it.
Yeah?
The cheese is nice.
Mm-hmm.
That's our...
That's what we spent just now.
Oh my god!
Well, this is still cheap.
That's cheap still?
Germany is cheaper than Netherlands.
That's like half of my salary.
Yeah, but Germany is cheaper than Netherlands.
Nakakagulat yung total ng bill namin. Kalahati na ng salary ko, dahil. Di ako mabubuhay dito with my Philippine salary. And tada, this is their lunch. Lunch to, guys. Sa atin, merienda lang to, diba? In fairness naman sa fries sa Netherlands, ang sarap talaga. Walang-wala yung fries sa Philippines. Pero Diyos ko, ganito pala dito. Hindi pala talaga normal ang rice meal sa mga restaurant.
It's really nice, but careful, it can be really hot. A lot of people who don't know it, they take a bite and then you get all the hot inside in the mouth. Like,
It tastes familiar.
shouldn't be. Because this is Dutch.
Yeah, but it tastes similar to a Filipino dish. I can't
Okay.
pinpoint. That looks like a Harry Potter puzzle. Another day, another shopping. Kailangan ko pa kasing bumili ng coat ko kasi yung mga dala kong coat, Diyos ko, ang ninipis pala. I also need boots kasi ang shoes ko lang nadala ay rubber shoes. I only have 25 kg of check-in luggage and puno na agad yun ang damit ko. Kaya sabi ko, dito na lang kami mamili ng iba ko pang kailangan. Iba talaga yung environment dito, parang ang classy-classy. While on the way to the city center, nakita ko pa tong stoplight for bikes. Nakakatuwa, no? Wala kasi sa atin yan. Tax kasi natin, nakurakot na, napunta na sa bag ng mga Nepo baby. Hoy! Ang ganda-ganda, para akong nasa fairy tale. Tingnan niyo naman yung kulay ng mga puno. Ang ganda, diba? Oh my god. The leaves just falling. Frank's old apartment is near to the city center, so we're just walking. Ma-enjoy mo maglakad dito, Day, kasi ang lamig ng panahon, hindi ka laputsina tulad sa Pinas. Ang ano ko lang dito is bigla-biglang naulan. Nakakaloka. And Frank said that's Netherlands weather. And guess what's our lunch is? Of course, it's fries! Ang sarap ng fries dito, pero yung katawan ko medyo nanghihina na. I need rice. My Asian stomach is growling right now. We're now at Primark. Ang target ko talaga dito ay coat and boots. Alam nyo, buti na lang hindi ako yung nagbabayad kasi kapag kino-convert ko sa peso, yung presyo ng mga bilihin dito para akong hihimatayin. Kahit pagsamahin mo pa yung salary ko and yung 13-month ko, hindi ako mabubuhay dito.
Yeah, because this is like the end of the city.
It's cold, but it really feels nice on the face.
Yeah, because there's a little bit of sun still.
Na-enjoy ko pa yung weather kasi may araw, pero pag biglang umulan, tapos lumakas yung hangin, nangangatog na ako. My very first Dutch dinner. Nagluto yung mom ni Frank, kaya dun kami kumain ng dinner. Sarap niyang sausage na yan. The next day, we went back to the city center kasi need namin bumili ng face paint. May make-upan ko kasi yung brother ni Frank and yung sister-in-law niya. They're gonna attend a Halloween party and they asked me if I can do their makeup. But since I don't have my tools with me, need namin mamili. Favorite ko tong store na to, perfume store. After namin namin mabili yung mga kailangan namin, nag-ikot-ikot lang kami sa city center. Sobrang cute nito oh, kaso ang mahal naman. Nakakaloka naman ang presyo niyan. Ang daming cute stuff sa store na to. Maganda sanang pampasalubong pero hindi maganda yung presyo. Dumaan na rin kami sa grocery store bago umuwi kasi may mga need kaming bilhin. Ang sasarap ng cheese nila dito guys. Kapag nag-visit kayo, huwag niyong papalampasin tumikim ng cheese. And alam niyo ba, yung mga sprinkle na yan, nilalagay nila yan sa bread. Breakfast nila yon. Biyahe na naman kami the next day papunta sa bahay ng brother ni Frank. Ang ganda ng mga kalsada nila dito. Nakakatuwa, walang bako-bako. Sa katuwan-tuwa ako sa itsura ng mga bahay dito. Paano ba naman kasi sa pelikula ko lang napapanood to dati. Ngayon nakikita ko na ng personal. Ang dreamy and fairy tale like ang vibe dito. Kaya parang naiengganyo na ako magstay. After the makeup session, dumaan kami dito sa cafeteria. I think they call it cafeteria or restaurant. And ano pa nga bang in-order namin? Syempre, fries ulit. Pero masarap yung isang parang may breadcrumbs. Keep corn yung tawag dyan. Chicken yun.
I really like that sauce.
Interesting.
It's a bit the same sauce we had on the noodle.
Aha.
It's that sauce.
It's
also,
not yummy.
Yeah, it is. It's also really Dutch. What? Yeah, you like it?
Although I like the croquette more.
Mm-hmm.
Busog na busog pa ako nito pero gusto ni Frank na itry ko daw yung Oli Bowl. It's a fried donut with powdered sugar. I don't hate it but it's not something that I'm gonna crave. Baby, this is you.